Wait a second, who stole the wheel? Oh wait, it's over there. Hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. It's Rover Rescue Day again today, although I'm not rescuing anything because this Rover does not need to be rescued. This thing is beautiful. This is a 1983 Series 3, and I mean, it is just, I mean, look at the wheels. It's just gorgeous. This thing has been restored to the nines. It's got the factory, you know, hardtop here in the back that actually was purchased in a suburb of London, Kingston upon Thames, where I've actually been. It is a gorgeous vehicle, and I'm gonna get to drive this because I have to. Oh, what's that pulling out over there next to my Lincoln Town Car? Oh, an E-Type Jag. I'm gonna drive this, I think. You know, this is a Enzo Ferrari said this is a much prettier car than that, so well, that does sound good. Nope, bad guess. There we go. All right, well, let me get in and wait a second, who stole the wheel? Oh wait, it's over there. It's the British version. All right, getting in this side. And it's a tight fit. Yeah, they didn't have a tilt steering wheel in 1983, in Land Rovers anyway. We've got, there's that, brake, clutch. You put the brake on? I think it's off. And let's see, key is over here. And I haven't driven too many cars that are right-hand drive, so this is always fun. Let me mount y'all up and let's go for a little spin. All right. Definitely no power steering, but that's okay because this actually doesn't weigh that much. Gotta remember to shift. Ow. Well, at close quarters, gotta remember to shift with my left hand here. Oh yeah, this does drive nicely. I've driven a bunch of these, and this one's the only one that's been like fully restored. So, yeah, that shifts nicely. Oh, yep. Gotta make sure I'm on the correct side of the road here. That sounds good. Steers well. Let's see. Brakes pretty straight. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a well-sorted version of this. I have a buddy who has a 109 that is a very authentic patina patinated. It's really nice, but it's the first one I drove. It was a series truck, and it was like a knitting needle in a bowl of marbles. That's not my designation. Someone else said that, but I went with it. It just needs some shifter bushings, but it was the first time I'd ever driven a series truck, and so I was like, I don't know where the gears are. What is going on here? So, let's see. This way. Oh yeah, the clutch in this is gorgeous. It's so easy to drive, except for the whole shifting with the wrong hand. I'm gonna go on a bit of a rant here. Most of the world is right-handed, including me. Why would you want to shift or control like an iDrive controller in a modern car with, okay, and the shift knob just came off my hand, but it's a British car. Oh, that's why. British Leyland's finest efforts. If I can get that back on so that I'm allowed to borrow more of Chris's cars. This is nice. I've got the flow-through ventilation here that's open behind the wheel that's on the hood. And it is a warm day. You can probably tell I'm sweating profusely. It's about 95 degrees out today. I just drove the Mosler Consulier, which was a lot of fun. These brakes are pretty good. Yeah. But yeah, we're not going to use the air conditioning in that thing, and I am just soaked. This shifts beautifully. Oddly enough, with the Mosler, the clutch travel in that was like a foot. In this, it's like an inch and a half. It's like boop, 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 and you're in gear. It's just so easy to drive this. Other than the fact that it's right-hand drive, which is just weird when you're not used to it. And of course, the turn signal is on the right, which is also weird because turn signals are supposed to be on the left. But yeah. Oh yeah. It's just got so much grunt, low-end grunt there, that you don't have to give it much gas to get going. This is just a really cool, well-sorted truck, and I'm so glad I got the opportunity to drive it because it's usually in storage and this hasn't been driven for several months. so it needed some coaxing to get going because carburetor. A great little ride. It's certainly agricultural, but it's a Land Rover. Landies are agricultural vehicles. At least they used to be. Now they're $80,000, $100,000 luxury vehicles. Turn. All right, foot to the floor. 25, 30, into fourth. I'm going almost 40 miles an hour, y'all. And this is about as fast as I want to go on this. Even though this is a well-sorted version. Yikes. I'm just not used to driving tractors at high speed. Brakes are squeaky, squeaky, squeaky a little bit, but otherwise fine. And there we go. That was a fun little ride. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that quick trip in a beautiful 1983 Series 3 Land Rover. These have cart springs, not coil springs like the later Defenders, so they're definitely a bit buckboard wagon feeling and bouncy, but they're just honest, good cars. I mean, this shifted so well. Like I drive a lot of stick shift cars, a lot of very expensive, fun cars, and this is fun in a different way, but man, it just drove so well. So I just want to thank Chris for letting me borrow this and let me just drive it a little bit and experiencing what a truly sorted series was like and what this was probably like in 1983, although it's probably better than when it left the British Leyland factory. So once again, thanks so much for watching Doug's Cars. Please subscribe if you want to see more Land Rovers, more Mazda Consigliers, and all kinds of fun stuff. Thanks so much for watching.